ONEWS11, moving onward with purpose. This is about to get exciting. It's time to move forward. The negativity of the past is behind us and there's no need to look back. That chapter is closed. From here on, our focus is on building, creating, and achieving our shared dream together. Let us pull back the curtain and reveal some astonishing details you haven't seen before. As we've stated in other communications, the response to our first survey was nothing short of extraordinary. Check your OES back office to see results. Doesn't it feel great to be part of a group that is so overwhelmingly positive and committed? Seeing this for yourself, you can now better understand the huge impact you've had in motivating us to plow through some very difficult obstacles. Remember this: at the heart of this journey is our shared vision, uplifting humanity by empowering individuals of all ages and walks of life through education, personal development, and financial well-being. We are committed to turning complexity into simplicity with affordable, user-friendly technology, including OW with the heart. So meaningful. With that in mind, we are developing powerful new applications designed to help every kind of small business person, from a work-at-home affiliate to local business owners in your own community, to reach and attract more customers. In doing so, we will create benefits for our entire communities in ways never before seen. Details about these applications and the new direction we are taking will be announced during a live global update coming in September. Together, we are moving forward with clarity, strength, and purpose. Stay tuned for the official date and time.